In this simple video, we'll show you how you can remove reposts in the Threads application. So Threads is a new app, and if you constantly repost other threads and posts in the app but want to remove some, then this video is for you. It's really easy to do that, so let's start with the tutorial. I'm gonna open my Repost app, and then if I want to repost something, all I have to do is to click on this little button right here. This post from another person will now be shared on my profile and with my followers, and it's just like a retweet button. And when I want to remove it, I want to go to my profile and simply click on the little repost button one more time. It will have the same icon but with a little check sign, and that means that this is reposted. So tap on the button, and then click on remove. Now the thread will be removed from our profile and we will remove the repost. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and see you soon.